Hello class, welcome to week 1. Make sure again that you read your announcements as I post them. I will post announcements throughout the duration of this class and it's really imperative that you read them. One thing that I did forget to mention is when you go to announcements, you'll notice my welcome video. So please review that. And there's also an online class policy document. I really want you to look at that as well. This document talks about a myriad of things to include, it's here, but it's on my other screen, to include just plagiarism, turn it in. It talks about if your paper is late, how it will be deducted or your assignment's 5% a day. So make sure that you read that document and to review it prior to class starting and ask any questions as they occur. So let's talk about week 1. We'll click on week 1 over here. And you're going to see that we're covering mental health from a psychospiritual focus as well as psychospiritual psychotherapy. So here's listed the readings for the week. Make sure that you click on the folder as there is lecture notes in here as well. And when you return back to week 1, you will see here it says lecture addressed in the final exam. So it's really important that you click on the folder and that you read and review those notes as well. Here are the other readings for the week you'll see in your textbook. And then there is also an additional article here. So make sure that you complete all of these readings prior to moving on to the discussion boards. There's one video for you to watch as well. So complete the readings, complete the video, and then you will go down to see what's going to happen this week. So for the first few weeks, I've highlighted the due dates, and then I stopped doing that after a while unless it was due on a different day. So the first of the assignments we're going to look at down here is the discussion board. You're going to notice in this class that most of the weeks have 2 discussion board prompts. The initial prompt is due Thursday by midnight, and then you're to respond to at least 3 of your colleagues Sunday by midnight. So you have week 1 discussion, and here is the various discussion points that you're going to talk about. There's specific questions, and then to respond to at least 3 peers. Here's different ways that you can respond to your peers. The important thing is that your response shouldn't be, yes, I agree. It should really share some insight. It should challenge your peer. It should help to expand on their post. So there's 6 different bullet points in how your response should really help to elaborate with the discussion. You will notice that I will post a curveball posting most likely for the discussion boards, so either one or both of them to help you think through as well. And if you respond to my curveball post, that will count as one of the 3 responses as well. So you have these 2 discussion board prompts. Your initial response is Thursday by midnight, and then to respond to at least 3 peers on both of these posts Sunday by midnight. The other assignment this week is to submit your paper proposal topic for the final research paper, which is due at the end of week 7. So you're going to write a paragraph that describes your paper and then include a thesis statement. This is 1 or 2 sentences that really hones in on the topic. There's a link here that talks about what a thesis statement should look like as well. So if we go to the bottom after the discussion boards, you will see more of a thorough description about the proposal topic to think about, what are you going to talk about? What are you going to write? It has here to make sure to utilize APA style. If you review my initial video, I have pointed out several different resources for you where you can find links on here with APA style. There's also a link here that shows, once again, how to write a thesis statement. So make sure you check your grammar, your punctuation, make sure that you utilize double spacing, the correct font, the correct formatting, and you are going to submit it as a doc or an RTF with your name, and it shows here how you should submit it. So this is the first step in the stage for your final paper topic. You're going to have another step next week in week 2, and then in week 7 your final paper is due. So step 1 here, you might want to read the full assignment in week 7 to really get a good idea of what you're going to be writing if you want to for the paper proposal. So in order to submit the assignment, just real quickly, you click on the tab here and it talks about the assignment again. There's 10 points possible and you can attach it right here in the text box if you would like. that looks like, how you should attach it. So the other thing that I want you to note for this week is you are to actually respond to, and I will move this up to the top, a class introduction video. With the class introduction video, each of you should post a quick video about yourself, who you are, your interest in this class, and I have here a little way that you can utilize it utilizing Screencast-O-Matic. It's a free application. It's actually what I'm using right now, that you can record yourself, introduce who you are, something interesting about yourself. I think it's really important so we can become connected as a class. So discussion boards, readings, the video, your paper proposal, and your class video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I know it's a lot to cover and it's a lot to kind of wrap your mind around as you're getting used to what the class is going to look like. But I'm always here to help you out, okay? Just remember that. Thank you.